Let's review how to start a pull of your CM. Right-click on the configuration and select Pull Objects, or you can press Ctrl-Shift-P. In the Pull pop-up window, you can pull standard CM forms, such as Agent Login ID, Audio Group, and COR. Simply check the standard checkbox, double-click each form you want to pull, or choose Select All. You can choose to filter specific objects, so it only pulls the information you're interested in. You can double-click on Trunk Group and then add filters to only download SIP trunk groups between trunk group 40 and 500. You can pull this information now by clicking Pull. You can also schedule the pull to happen at a specific time and date. And for regular searchable and actionable backups, you can pull any data you want on a recurring basis, hourly, daily, and weekly. To schedule a recurring daily pull, select the tables you want to pull, click Dynamic, and in the configuration box replace name with a useful name, such as CM Backup. Leave the rest of the text. This will allow CAT to generate config folders per backup with the right date and timestamp. Then, click Schedule and Recurring. Put a start time, and then make sure the recurrence is what you need, in our example, every day. Then click Save and Schedule. You will notice this saved job is now in the Jobs section of your system. We have also built CAT to do some more tailored pulls. Check the Pre-Post Upgrade checkbox, and you'll see a short but helpful list of commands. We use these commands as a way to get the status of CM before we undertake major work, such as an upgrade or a reboot of CM. It's very helpful to know what alarms exist before a reboot, so afterwards, you can check if the reboot introduced any new alarms, rather than trying to troubleshoot a problem that already existed. Likewise, it's good to get a snapshot of what media gateways and media servers are registered, how many IP phones are registered, and the status of every channel and every trunk group. In case you want to build your own ad hoc command, you can do that too. From the pull window, click Add Ad Hoc Command. Enter the command you wish to add. Let's use Status Station as an example. Manually typing Status Station 1234 and then Status Station 1235, 1236, etc. is a time-consuming process. The idea of ad hoc commands is to streamline the process significantly. Enter Status Station, then add the identifier %N. Notice when we add the %N identifier, this opens some new fields. Click on the icon to the right of the field, and the new pop-up will allow you to do two things. It can source the identifier, in our case, the extension we want to use in the Status Station command, from either a table you've downloaded already or from static data. If we have a station table already downloaded, click the Table drop-down, select the station table. From the Field drop-down, make sure Extension is selected. You can then click Save to save the ad hoc command. Click Save again, and then Pull to initiate the pull. If you want to do an ad hoc command using a text file as the list of identifiers, select from Static Data. Then enter the file path of the file, and then click Save.